Medical news and concern about a new painkiller that is 10 times more potent than Vicodin and is said that it could kill with just 2 pills. Zohydro is set to hit the market early this month, but addiction experts are worried that it could trigger a huge jump in overdoses and deaths. They're urging the FDA to reconsider its approval. So let's bring Chief Health and Medical Editor Dr. Richard Besser in for more of this. Can you tell us more about this drug? And is it really as potent as these experts are warning?
This is strong. Zohydro is straight hydrocodone, which is a very strong narcotic. And what we're seeing playing out here is a real battle within the medical community between those doctors who take care of people with chronic pain and those who are concerned about addiction. There are millions of people with chronic pain, and the FDA says this gives them another tool for people who aren't being well handled by the existing drugs. The addiction community is very concerned because prescription pain medications are the gateway to heroin. They're the gateway to opioid addiction, and they're very concerned not about whether this will work for the pain patients, but that it's going to get diverted to people who are going to use it for recreational purposes and lead to deaths.
Like a gateway drug
That's right.
of sorts.
That's right.
One of these experts said that this drug will kill as soon as it is released. Can you talk about how easily accessible it is and in the different ways people can use it and abuse it?
Yeah, I mean, the drug we'd always talked about was OxyContin, which was diverted very regularly. That's now been reformulated, so it's hard to crush, and if you snort it, it's unpleasant. This drug is not in that preparation. So the concern is it's going to get diverted, it's going to go into the market and be used. 4 out of 5 people who use heroin started with prescription pain meds.
Yeah, as we heard from Philip Seymour Hoffman's death as well. It'll be interesting to see what the FDA does decide. They're usually very conservative about these issues.
Well, their own committee voted 12-1 that this should not be available to the community. They said it's safe and effective for pain people, but they're very concerned about the diversion.
It's something I know you'll be following. Rich, thanks so much for coming in.